right, how does this work?
Okay.
On a desert island,
Spritz Aperol, for sure.
Definitely a good book.
merchandise and O9 brochures.
Oof, there are many.
Do I have to just pick one?
I love that it's creative, it's fast-paced and ever-changing.
Recently, we've had events in Germany, in Belgium.
Singapore, India, United States.
I have a very good work-life balance.
We have an option to work remotely, so it gives me a lot of options to explore other countries.
I'm working on it.
An adrenaline rush, coffee and gym.
Coffee.
Coffee?
So I don't have an answer for this.
Oof, it's really a mix of planning some big-scale events, executing smaller projects.
Work, 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 work.
Every day is very different, and that's what makes it even more exciting.
One word.
Inspiring.
Global.
Magic.
Very energetic.
And fun.
O9 is full of extremely talented and curious people. If you like collaboration, if you like meeting new exciting challenges, it's definitely a place for you.
Simple. If you want to go the extra mile every day and make a global impact, join us.
Now that you met our team, how can you not want to join us? Was that a good answer?